To boil yams on the stove, wash the yams with cold water and peel them with a vegetable peeler or paring knife. Trim off the ends of the yams and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Fill a pot halfway with water and add a pinch of salt. Then bring the water to a boil over high heat. Add the yams to the pot and cover it. Then reduce the heat a bit so it doesn't boil over. Cook the yams until they are tender and easy to pierce with a fork, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and pour the yams into a colander to drain them. Toss the yams in butter, salt and pepper, and any other seasonings of your choice, and be sure to serve them warm.